In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the VLC Player minimize button is missing on your VLC Media Player. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is press the Escape or the F11 key to exit full screen mode, and that should be all you have to do. If that does not work, now you will have to do more than one click for this, but you would select the Tools tab and then Preferences, select Hotkeys, and then you would be able to just go ahead and reset the preferences down here or customize the full screen shortcut option. You can do that as well by selecting it here and then change the hotkey that it functions or corresponds to. Select Save to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.